I know our grade 11 students are wondering where will we go come September and all of what is happening with the cost to cover tertiary institution. It may cause them to think that I'm not able to go to tertiary institution this year.
Stop right there. If this applies to you, meaning you're a grade 11 student who is wondering, will I be able to access tertiary education this academic year? Erase those doubts because the Ministry of Education has some good news for you.
You are able to access your post-secondary education at your high school, and your high schools will partner with the tertiary institutions. The government will cover that cost, and our students will do this in pursuit of their associate degree or in preparation for their associate degrees.
It is no secret that COVID-19 has given rise to numerous economic constraints for parents and students worldwide. Some parents have lost their jobs, have experienced salary cuts, and as such, sending their youngsters to tertiary institutions this year seems like an unattainable feat. The Ministry of Education is well aware of these challenging circumstances and as such, developed a plan.
This year, parents, we have rebranded our career advancement program to include the sixth form program. In the past, we would have accounted for at least 1/3 of our grade 11 cohorts moving on to sixth form, others into the world of work, others into community colleges. And the parents would have had to assume the cost for the community college program. Under this framework, all students would have an opportunity to enroll in one of our 3 pathways in sixth form. And this program will be covered under the resources of the government.
The new sixth form program will now take 3 forms, called Pathways 1, 2, and 3. They are designed to foster greater inclusion and accessibility for grade 11 students.
It's Pathway 1, which we call the traditional sixth form that you are accustomed to. Pathway 2, which we are now referring to as a technical sixth form. And Pathway 3, which is our general sixth form. So the traditional sixth form, those students who would matriculate with their 5 CXC, including math and English, would have enrolled in their traditional sixth form at any institution. We will still retain that formula.
Under Pathway 1, students will be able to pursue subjects of their choice in a quest to obtain an associate degree in CAPE upon completion within 2 years. For Pathway 2, students will pursue Level 1 or 2 in a labor market skill of choice. They will be able to complete the program in 1 year and transition to the Occupational Associate Degree program in grade 13. To be enrolled, students should attain at least 1 CSEC subject, NVQJ, CVQ, or City and Guilds English and/or Mathematics Stage 3. Students who do not satisfy any of the above requirements will be required to sit the heart diagnostic test and obtain a minimum mark of 25 in both mathematics and English. Pathway 3, on the other hand, is designed for students who do not meet any of the requirements established for traditional or technical pathways. The program developed will allow students to focus on strengthening their literacy and numeracy skills and working towards attaining City and Guilds certification. Students will also be introduced to a specialized skill area in addition to their other developmental areas, leading to NVQJ certification. Those who make good progress will be able to transfer to the technical pathway. Pathways 2 and 3 will be executed in partnership with numerous public and private tertiary institutions across the island.
So some of our grade 11 students will pursue their sixth form program on tertiary campuses. So we have already started the consultations. We have met with our high school principals. We have met with our tertiary principals, and they will now continue the dialogue. We have developed the framework. We have put together the instrument that they will use for this partnership. And so the dialogue is continuing now as to how our students will be attached, who will be retained at the high school level, and who will pursue their sixth form program at a particular tertiary institution that is in close proximity to the high schools.
So you see, there is no need to be worried about your ability to fund tertiary education this academic year. The Ministry of Education has you covered.
So all students' parents, we are expecting all our grade 11 students to go back at the end of this exam period when we will receive the exam results on the 27th of September of this year. We are expecting that our students will go back to their high school institution and they will indicate the area that they would want to pursue based on their subjects that they would have attained at the CXC, in addition to the NCT VET, as well as any other program of study that they would have pursued, like the City and Guild. So every student will have a place in our sixth form student for the new academic year.
To learn more about this new inclusive sixth form program, contact the Ministry of Education, Youth and Information at 922-14009. All the best.